Welcome to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, deep dive features, and future vehicle reveals. In today's video, we're taking a full tour and review of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome, a stunning blend of performance, comfort, and modern technology. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive for more exclusive automotive content. Stay with us till the end to catch every detail, because this motorhome might just change how you view life on the road. Starting with the engine, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome is expected to offer a powerful and smooth ride. It could come with a V6 or even a V8 engine option, providing solid horsepower and torque for confident highway cruising or mountain climbs. Transmission choices may include a reliable automatic system with multiple gears, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. Depending on the trim, buyers can expect rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, or even an all-wheel drive setup for enhanced traction and control in diverse conditions. Inside, the motorhome promises a spacious and premium experience. It may offer seating for 4 to 6 passengers, using high-quality leather or durable cloth upholstery. Heated and ventilated seats, along with power-adjustable options, add to the comfort. The layout is designed for long journeys with features like built-in dining tables, reclining chairs, and generous cabin storage. On the exterior, the body design is sleek and modern for a motorhome, with aerodynamic touches to improve efficiency. Expect generous dimensions in length and height, a wide stance for better stability, and a long wheelbase that contributes to smoother rides. Suspension may feature independent setups and specialized shocks to handle various terrains, supported by responsive rack and pinion steering. Safety features include multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, and electronic stability control for secure travel. Braking performance is enhanced by large disc brakes at all corners. Infotainment options might include a touchscreen system with Bluetooth, GPS navigation, radio, and even a rear entertainment system for passengers. Other highlights include cruise control, electric windows, central locking, and the option for a panoramic sunroof. Some trims may include chrome accents, premium wood trim, and luxury-level interiors. The 2026 update could also bring special edition packages and advanced tech options. Thanks for watching Auto Drive. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our in-depth car reviews. Stay tuned for more automotive excitement, only on Auto Drive.